Hey, what's up? Oh, God, it's freezing out here.
And today it's like rainy out and all disgusting, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do with my time.
Well, this looks awfully familiar. Pretty sure I'm wearing the same sweatshirt, too. Okay, so I didn't plan this, but...
Oh my god, it's already time to get up. Last night I wasn't even able to sleep because I was so scared that the old guy from YouTube was gonna hunt me down. He scares me.
What?
My lips like sugar. If you want that song, you can't have it, because it's not on iTunes yet, but I got it, because I'm such a baller.
I'm gonna sing a song that expresses my love for Judy. Whenever I listen to this song, it reminds me of Judy's precious face. Okay, well, since I'm really mad, I think I'm gonna go because I don't want to take all my anger out on you.